Hello everybody! Wonder what Holland America offers in terms of comfort food? In this video, we'll show you their latest menu plus some of the food we order from New York Pizza and the Dive-In Cafe, which is located poolside. All the food, including the gourmet pizzas, fancy burgers, hot dogs and fries, plus more that you'll see in this video are complimentary, included with your cruise fare. These are from our 2025 cruise aboard the HAL Eurodam. As a bonus, we'll also show you the menu for their specialty coffee and tea served at the Exploration Lounge towards the end of the video. Let's start with a look at New York Pizza. Here's a tip for you guys. For both New York Pizza and Dive-In Cafe, you can actually place your order with the Holland America app from anywhere on the ship. And typically it'll take around 15 to 20 minutes before the order is ready. Then the app will notify you. That is usually much faster than having to go to the counter to place the order. If you'd rather not wait, both places do offer grab-and-go items like cheese pizzas, default burgers, and hot dogs. But the selection will vary depending on the ship. Enjoy and be sure to check out our other Holland America food videos, including additional snack options, plus food tours of the buffet and main dining rooms. And remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you very much.